Hello friends, in my new video presentation I will show you how you measure weight with Fatek PLC. Before we start measuring, shall be done some settings. I make some device for measuring. If you can see, I make pneumatic device for dosing material. It have two pneumatic cylinder and one electromagnet. Also I make command unit, and if you can see I use the Fatek HMI and I use the Fatek PLC and Fatek measurement model. Name of it model is FBs-1LC. Also this is my electronic circuit PCB with who I am changed the duty cycle of PMS signal from Fatek, and with that I change power into electromagnet, change power to electromagnet result in a dosing of speed material in my box for this material. In this paper you will learn how use wiring load cells, and after that you go to calibrate and settings parameter in the wind pull radar. Necessary you must read about controller registry by which we adjust the true measurement of load cells. And you see I use the two load cells in parallel connection. So after you read about control registry, you must go to the LC configuration. In this window you set type of load cells. In my case this is 10 millivolts, and you put the start register for reading or control the system. Now you will see my registry for settings, and this is a registry for reading and control. Start with R0, and you must pay attention to registry R2, R3 and R4. Only this registry is writable. And in start, your measure box must be empty, like that. And first you need to do is calibration. Actually, first you set 0 in registry R3, set bit 0. This is set 1 in R3. This is bit 0, and with that you set 0 reference or Tara reference. That is the same, like that. And after you set 0 reference, you next to want to do is place the maximum measurement weight in your mechanical device, and in my case that is 1000 grams. After you place weight in registry R2, put high reference value and set bit 1 in registry 3, like that. This is in my program. This is a maximum. R3, set 2, and off. with that you setting maximum reference for your measurement mechanical device. Now you wait for measure box. And if you can see, in R0 is 0 grams. With this step we are calibrate our rolled cell measurement device, and you see this registry R4. This registry eliminate error, and it is like auto 0, like auto tar. This is the same. Now after I create graphic HMI and PLC program, I can start my device. Before we start, I show you my HMI panel graphic. HMI is Fatek, and you see I change some settings for dosing. Have password for master settings, admin settings. This is for in an Serbian language. Sorry about that. And after setting, I go to automatic start, and let me see how it works. I start with sensor. Okay. And if you can see again, have 2 speed. You see it? That's it. Okay friends, I hope that this video helps someone. Bye bye for PLC systems.